Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 25th of May, and I'm going to go through the three little pigs and the no indicators trading strategy in the live markets. The three little pigs, it's a free strategy available over here on the Forex Useful website. The no indicators trend trading strategy is also available here on the website. The indicator today on my charts will be the swing trading indicator for MT4 and the three little pigs, which you can get over here on the website as well. At present, you can also just click here on the website and it will take you to the product page. So into the markets we go, and we've got 7 open trades now at the moment. After a really dull and boring May, we've now got 7 open trades. So Aussie dollar, just a quick run through all the trends confirmed here. So we're short from the 19th here, and the entry was around 7910. This trailing stop's not just quite in the money yet, but this moving average will hopefully just move down a little bit today, and we should be at least break even on Aussie dollar. EURGBP, we had a losing trade here, and we got back in on this candle close here. So if you're trailing the stop as per the 1-on-1, so initial stop somewhere around about here, now you'll be in the money here with a trailing stop on EURGBP. Euro yen, quite a late entry as we're waiting for these the trends to turn down again. So our weekly was down and has been for most of the year, and we were just waiting for the daily to roll over here after some recent strength. So the daily rolled over, and subsequently the 4-hour did as well. So late on Friday we got the entry here. So obviously we haven't moved our stop very much yet, so not break even here on this trade at all. So just waiting for the markets now. This see further EURJPY strength, and hopefully we can move this stop down. EURUSD, similar shape to EURJPY, only it's a little bit more bearish. So the weekly didn't quite retrace as much, and the daily didn't quite extend so much. So subsequently we got an earlier signal here. Not quite break even here on the stop, but you know, given a fair wind here, we should be at the most break even on this trade, and at best we can see the euro drop off and we'll make some money. Cable, we're still waiting here, so the weekly's still down and the daily's still up. So one of two things here. It's not a clean sheet here, because if this weekly does move up, we'll get a long trade. Possibly won't be this week. The most likely is that the daily will roll over and we'll get a short signal on cable. So it could go either way here. Most likely is that we'll get a signal to the downside. USDCAD, we're long here. So sorry, cable's the only of the 8 currencies, it's the only one that we don't have a position in at the moment. So USDCAD, we've been long since here. So basically if you're using the strategy as taught on the 1-on-1, you've got a break even stop in here. USD Swiss, we've been long since this candle here, and we're not quite at break even here. Looking a little bit choppy here, but hopefully we can just see a smaller retracement here, and then we can see this high get taken out and get this stop up to at least break even. USDJPY, finally, this is the one I reported on at the weekend. So really great entry here on close of this candle on the 18th. Something got in somewhere around about 119.63, 64, something like that. And at the moment we're up here, we're up about 200 pips on this trade. So basically 20 pip stop as taught on the 1-on-1, so about 10 times our initial risk here on this trade at the present levels. If you're trailing your stop, you're probably about 5 times in the money here at the moment. So really nice entry, nice tight stop, didn't get taken out by this little spike down, and we're still in this long trade. So this is the one that's kind of making us some of our money back for May so far. And hopefully some of the others will catch up and give us some reward as well. Gold is just a little bit choppy. We can see the weekly is just hovering around about this moving average, so it's just below it at the moment, and the daily is just above, so it's really quite sideways here on gold. So those of you that are trading it, you know, you could get a signal either way soon, just depending on what the higher time frames do. So that's Nigel's. Okay, so over to no indicators trading. A slight change from the report that I sent out at the weekend. No change on cable. We're still long. I've got a stop loss in here and just waiting for this to shoot up higher or to take my stop and take a short trade. Euro USD, I reported on this. We got taken out last week at this level here. We made a new low, retraced, broke the low, so we've moved our stop down now from here to here and reduced the risk by about 70%, 75% on this trade. So hopefully we can just see retracement, take out the low, and then we can get this stop down to in the money. EURJPY, I reported that we had a slightly in the money stop here, so initial stop down here, we moved it 3 times. So our slightly in the money stop just got taken out there this morning. So this is a change from the report at the weekend I mentioned. So we're now short on EURJPY, initial stop here. So what we need to do is just see this retrace a little bit, and if it breaks the low, then we'll move our stop accordingly. And on that note, thank you very much for listening on this Monday morning. And any questions, just contact me through the website or leave a message here on YouTube. This will obviously be on YouTube very shortly. So all the very best to all of you.